As we all know that in any startups, medium businesses, and enterprises all face the same challenge, creating world-class goods or apps that their consumers love to use and get addicted to. Dedicated infrastructure is required to develop world-class applications or digital products, such as a dedicated development team, IT infrastructure, and other things as well. One of the most efficient approaches to fulfill your specific needs is to form a dedicated team of web developers. First of all, let's see what is the dedicated team model. The term dedicated refers to the fact that such teams devote all of their time and effort to the customer and the one specific project for which they were engaged. The dedicated team model, DTM, is best suited to mid and long-term projects with flexible scope and objectives. In this model, if any problem arises, it can be easily solved within the team, and this thing will give you a superior product on time. Now let's understand that how the dedicated team model works. The customer specifies the project's primary objectives, as well as the technologies, talents, and expertise necessary in the project's area, as well as the desired development approach and team size. The dedicated team is fully set up and ready to start to attract all the customers to your business and brand by working on website and its related parts. The customer now has complete control over the dedicated team, their time, and their work, so you can now dedicate your time to the other departments of your business. Now let's know when to hire a dedicated web development team. 1. When you wish to keep your responsibilities to a minimum. Hire a dedicated team to decrease the risks associated with task management from the start to the finish. 2. When you have a defined budget. If you don't want to put a load on your budget by recruiting full-time engineers inside, outsource to a specialized team. 3. When you wish to speed up the process. If you need to cater to projects that require a speedier time to market, consider hiring specialized staff. 4. When you want to work on critical technologies. When you need to employ innovative technology, you may rely on specialized developers. 5. When you need access to high-level experts. If you want skilled engineers to code your website, go for dedicated development. 6. When you want flexibility. If you have short-term initiatives that require less commitment and more flexibility, hire specialized developers. Here are some advantages of a dedicated team model. Number 1. High team engagement and a focused approach. One of the most significant advantages of the dedicated team is that they are completely dedicated to your cause and effectively become an extension of your company. They focuses only on your project and committed to achieving your objectives without interruption. Number 2. Cost-cutting and immediate access to talent. Putting together a team for a project may be a time-consuming and financially demanding process. Instead of that, building a specialized team is much less expensive and time-consuming than recruiting in-house, and it provides you with the same results. Number 3. Increased productivity and adaptability. In today's fast-paced software industry, having a competitive advantage in terms of productivity and development speed is critical. This is where the dedicated team model excels. A dedicated team is fully committed to your project and the tasks you have assigned them. Number 4. Proactive support. You may get better performance and almost no downtime when you engage a specialized development staff. The hired staff can anticipate difficulties and provide a solution to keep your system running and troubles at bay. They are always supporting you. Number 5. Eliminates risk. When you hire dedicated developers with experience, they do things by considering about risk factors. You don't have to be concerned about doing things on your own that you probably don't know how to do. This is how a specialized team can provide you with a risk-free outcome. Number 6. They have a variety of skills. Certain tasks need the use of specialized expertise. So in this case, hiring specialized developers gives you access to their broader skills, knowledge, expertise, and solutions to help you create your product. Number 7. Flexibility. They provide you chance to utilize every resource available at any time. Every product will require a unique combination of designers, developers, and other professionals. This is useful when you need to determine whether to speed up or slow down based on company's status. Number 8. Guaranteed results. When you hire a dedicated development team, they will build goods using best practices. As a result, productivity rises immediately from the start of your project. And this thing will assure you a good result in the project. Number 9. Help in focusing on your business. You avoid the danger of producing goods on your own when you hire a dedicated team of developers. This will allow you to concentrate on the other important aspects of your organization, such as marketing, branding, promotions, finance, and operations. At the end, I will only say that hire an expert dedicated team if you have a tech demand that cannot be met internally. The dedicated team's knowledge and talents will be put to good use in delivering secure and assured results. That is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed and got some knowledge through this video. I will meet you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to like, share and comment down your thoughts below, and also subscribe to the channel for more such content. Jai Hind.